Yo, look, man. I think those are FEMA trains, yo. People, look at that line of trains. Right? I heard stories about these. Trains, people. See that train? Why they got a train that's got 3 levels with little windows in it? Huh? FEMA trains, people, right here in our own city. What else are they? Look how long that train is. It goes both ways. You got 3 levels with little windows. What the hell are those, people? Tell me what that is. Prison train? It's like a modern day Holocaust train. What is this thing? Huh? Those ain't for hauling cars. You don't put cars in something like that. Look, they're connected together. Connected together so you can pass through 2 cars. People, wake up. We're about to go 70 miles an hour on the highway. Here's some FEMA trains right here in our own city, people. 70 mile an hour. Let's see how long we stay next to these. Yeah, that's where we are. Come on out and look at it. FEMA camps coming to a neighborhood near you soon. Every one of these trains, they're dual cars, connected in the middle, connected in the middle, connected in the middle. 3 stories for, you know, prisoners, or you know, let's say FEMA camp participants.